So the first part is to first create a cube, and then we kind of orbit around it. I extrude the top, selecting the face, then I move an edge inside. Well, I did have struggles creating the loops. I found out that you have to stay close to the edge that you want the loop to be on. Now set up some loop cuts to help you create the hand of the bag. Tutorial, they have a little tutorial up there that you can watch, and then what you do next is think about how you want to your models to be. So I just put another loop cut in the middle again, and then I raised it up a second bit part. Then I deleted the face. I was trying to bridge the loops, and I found out that, well, that functionality isn't there yet. So what I then did was to we get some adverts occasionally when you're using the app. I'm not using the premium version currently, and I like as it is not showing that. Before, it recently used to show that before. To try and get these two edges, okay, to find a way to make a face. It's going to be a tedious process, but then it would be like bridging the loops. So there was something called connect or create faces from vertices, and the thing with this create faces from vertices, it actually works in order. So you have to make sure you select the vertices in the right order. Okay, so whenever you've done it in the proper order, then you cannot create a face. You select another one. And also, you can also create a face. There's something called create face by border with when you select an edge. So when we're done selecting the edge, I cut another loop across it, trying to get pockets. Or is it called pockets? Yeah, well, whatever it's called for the backpack, just something to so it's not too flat and it has more of a dimensional look to it. So trying to get the pocket. The place you open for the pockets, so you extrude it and select the face and then extrude it. And then the next part was to make the hand the straps, the hand straps. Is that what it's called? So that was the next part. Everything is all about the style. How do you want to make it? So we have to make a loop again so that we can make it similar to the way we created the handle. So the straps is going to be you think about the places that will not make the geometry bad. And then we select those faces and we extrude that, and we try to extrude that so there'll be a little bit of space. Extrude the second time, and I want to do something cool. Instead of using the bridge style, I just extruded one end and then deleted faces up top. So I said, okay, let's try and see if we can merge. And the pretty cool thing is you can merge vertices. You can merge vertices with this, and you raise that up once more, and you raise it up another time, and you've met. Yeah, so I lost some bits over the time, but I had gone ahead and made modeled the most important parts, and I had gone ahead to use a pretty cool new tool which they call the Vertex filling tool, which is just to paint textures onto your model using the vertexes and faces. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm coloring, and you see it's highlighting different vertexes, and it's looking, I thought it looked cool, kind of like a camouflage kind of thing. So I said, okay, let it be. And create some dimensions. Also for the books, we also going to color it, and I found out that you could actually grow a selection. So I used the growth selection, and it's found on the basic tools part of the interface. And then we just paint a nice pink color and create whites for the inner part of the book. We also extrude our surface a bit more to get rid of the normals being badly seen, so we could actually reverse the normals, and that can be found in the planes, working with faces, the faces section of modeling. And here's the final result. I hope you guys like it, and please subscribe.